Nyango. I'm a communications and media advocacy specialist. I'm glad to join SECOM here in Kisii on the assignment of actually training journalists and digital influencers on gender-sensitive reporting, which is actually very crucial in the narrative of ending FGM, female genital mutilation, and intimate partner violence. We believe that when we change our language, we believe that when we alter our language, we believe that through language change, that can actually change our attitudes and beliefs, and that the general populace may actually embrace this campaign. Today, other than learning on gender-sensitive reporting, where we learned about gender-biased language, we learned about gender-neutral language, we learned about gender-sensitive reporting. We also learned about digital advocacy. We learned about source track, which is actually basically a formula for formulating communication strategies. And we believe this will go a long way with the stakeholders who are gathered here today to shape the campaigns and make the campaigns better, and actually make the duty bearers to pay attention to this campaign and make policies that actually are not retrogressive but progressive. Having said that, we challenge the duty bearers, we challenge custodians of the cultural norms to actually take the front seat in eliminating these practices which are quite harmful. Thank you.